Oh,
I don't know why today is so hard.
it's because you're a cucumber. There it is. Home sweet Lakey Bob. Oh. Alright, I fell. Can I do that? That's a steepy, dude. Heck yeah. SSR power, baby. Oh boy. Alright. You gotta be kidding me. You kidding me, dude? Alright, let's get out of here. You give me your footage.
You want to try it one last time?
Dungy and I both made it. I wasn't recording. I'm so mad. I gotta calm down.
I can't see his eyes, but he's got that determination going on. Take a break, buddy. We'll go around it if it's not worth it. It's actually really steep. There he goes. Made it.
I mean, I made it up that stupid hill over there. Like, you'd think me doing YouTube full time, I'd be able to just remember to record, you know, when I need to, when I'm doing things. I can never. It's like the hardest thing. It shouldn't be very hard, but it is. I mean, it's pathetic. Oh, you gotta be kidding me, man. Oh my God. Oh. Oh. What happened to you? Mother dude. I don't even think my bike's gonna work. I don't know how bad my knee doesn't feel so good. My bike's broken. Oh, I think it's yeah, it's broken. Yeah, snapped. We're in the worst spot again. I mean, the worst spot. Worst spot. I thought for sure I was gonna break my arm or something. All right. All right. We're gonna be okay. My hand's really starting to hurt, like really bad. It's pretty messed up. Yeah. There's nowhere to put my legs. Alright. Thanks. This hand is just like completely messed up. So is this arm. And then my knee, I don't even know what it looks like, but I can hardly move it. Delinky's out of water. And we just called Dana, and he's on his way to a concert. So he referred us to his friend Joey Mack, who's like a really experienced rider. And I don't even know who the guy is. I've never talked to him before, but I follow him on Instagram, which is, you know, good enough for me. Anyways, I think he's coming to get us in his something. He's coming to get us in his Razor.
I think my thumbs are broken. I would be a bad thumb wrestler right now.
Crashed, stranded, and out of water once again. Delink, flag him down.
That'll help.
And they don't even care.
Are you kidding me? Where's the not even that? You guys got any water? Our bike's broke down, dude. We're in a bad spot. We're out of water, man. Oh, shoot. Would you have done that?
Just roll away.
You throw it 3 feet from a boat in the middle of the lake? You.
So I see the bike. It's on that mountain right there. And from here, it's literally just like a little ant. I mean, you cannot see it. There's no way you'll be able to see it. All right, so Joey Mack 420 says that he is nearby, and he says he sees some stuff that I see, so he should be here in a minute. What's up, man? Thanks, dude. You savior.
What do we got going on?
We're all up.
The bike's right on that hill. It's like a little ant
Oh, whoa, up there?
up there.
Oh, I was like, man, there's no hills here to crash on.
It's halfway up that.
No, it looks good. We got waters in there. You guys need water?
Yeah, man. Thanks.
You guys are ways away from Dana's too, huh?
Yeah, like probably the worst spot, huh?
Oh yeah, that was a bad spot. A spot you don't want to be in, especially with all the freaking meth heads and crackheads around here that come out at night.
Oh, maybe that's why they didn't want to help us.
Lock up your daughters, lock up your wives. Joey Mack is on the pipe.
Yeah. On it. Did you ride on back or did you walk this far?
I rode on the back of his.
Okay.
Yeah.
I might have walked there.
Oh, what is this?
Crap. That is gnarly.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, truck wouldn't have made it up this stuff.
How do you not have one of these, man? This thing's awesome.
Oh yeah, out here you gotta have one of these.
Right.
For this kind of freaking, in case you go do a rescue mission.
Yeah, I don't even remember what it looks like. Is it just Be right back.
So, we rigged this thing up. Bolts wouldn't work. So we got a custom tied ratchet strap here holding this baby on. I think you're better off than actually a bolt and stuff. Honda might come out with this new setup now.
I think I just need to leave it like this.
You're gonna see Roxon running this for the 2019 Supercross season right here.
Next time I crash, you know this won't break.
No, tie this up, then when you hit a jump or something, just do an extra little crank just for safety. And you should be ready for the races, man.
Ooh. Subscribe to Joey Mack 420 if you don't mind. Unless, you know, you want to be in a situation like this. How are you going to expect him to come save you if you're not subscribed? I'm surprised he didn't jump over his four-wheeler on the way down. Or your bike. You're a lifesaver, man.
No problem.
We wouldn't know what to do. We would have left the bike. Reported it as stolen.
So the good news is, on his way out here, Joey Mack stumbled onto another mule.
I was rolling by, and I seen this box, and I was like, what the heck? Opened it up.
No way.
Yes.
Fuck yeah, dude. The luckiest.
It's got to
one
be
I
like 15 bucks here.
This is why we ride out here, man. We're looking for the bags, looking for the cash. All right, man. Thanks.
No problem, man.
It's like pulling itself. You see, this is with the clutch all the way pulled in. Ah. It's just idling like that. See, that's great and all. I don't know how I'm gonna do that. Like, what the f? Come on, we gotta just do it. No. That's the bike that's is that one. Mine we can recover. My problem is I can't lift anything.
think we should turn around, dude.
Look how easy that was for him. Oh my god. Thanks, man.
No problem. That idle, your whole bike's so I just try to limp that thing back.
I really cannot crash. Like, I'm gonna go legs down. Because, I mean, if I crash, whatever's wrong with my wrist, I'm sure it'll make it 10 times worse. Doesn't it just sound like I'm ripping on this throttle? But I'm not. How does the bike not explode? So it's just going like this. Like, this is... Maybe it's a throttle issue? I don't know. It's an issue. I'm not giving any gas, it's just going. It's ridiculous.
You remember how to get back?
Alright, so it's about a few minutes through there to Dana's house. And Delinky wants to go, but I think my wrist is like pretty bad. Like, I just can't move it. So we're gonna take the road. 15-minute drive. We're gonna take these on the freeway with no license plates. So the real hero of today is at Joey McIntosh, 69420. Super cool dude. I can't believe he came out to this. This is a Friday night. And we're a bunch of young dudes and he just came out to save us. Super nice guy.
My clutch is broke.
Doesn't work?
It's slipping.
Alright, we just gotta go, man. I wonder if I have a tail light. I don't think I do. Oh well. Oh! That kind of scared me. I don't have a tail light. But I can't go in the front because I don't know where we're going. Whoa! My bike just did some weird crap. Oh, it's doing it again. I think I'm out of gas. Hopefully I'm not on my reserve. Well, this is all loose.
The plot thickens.
Am I recording? Am I recording? Alright, let's just try and go. I put it to reserve. Come on, reserve. I'm leading the way off my stupid head that clearly isn't very valid at the moment. That doesn't make any sense. You know what I'm saying? We're out here way later than we wanted to be. There it is, life, civilization. All right, we made it back.